welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my February Boxycharm unboxing. And this month I think we got about 5 items and I didn't see like a palette or anything. So hopefully we got some really good items. I did already go ahead and open it. I haven't seen what I got in it. My husband did, but I didn't. So let's just go ahead and see what we got. So this month's theme is Afterglow. And these are all the products with the prices and description. Okay, so this month, I don't know if it's gonna start being like this, but it's like bubble wrap. And it says Boxycharm on it, so maybe that's how they're gonna package it now. But the first thing I see is by Trestique. I'm not sure how you say that. And this is the Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. And this is in the shade, what is the shade? I have no idea what the shade is. But down here it says Primer Inside. Oh, the shade is English Rose. So it's that one. It's super, super creamy and the lid is like magnetic. Do you see that? That's so cool. So we'll try this out and this retails for $25. The next thing I see in the box is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this retails for $24. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what this is. I've never had the full size. I've always gotten the smaller deluxe sizes, like with palettes or something. But yeah, so I'm real excited. I really do like this mascara. I've just never thought about spending the $24 on it. The next thing that I grabbed is the, what is this? Oh, Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. And I've heard really, really good things about this primer. I'm so excited to try it out. Probably try it out tomorrow. But yeah, this retails for $18, which I think is a really good price for it. Like, it's not super expensive. I would pay $18 for this. The next thing I am grabbing is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, and I got the shade Glimmers of BS. That's a really cool name. And that's what this looks like. And it's like a pinky champagne shade, I would say. And that's it right there. It's really pigmented. It's probably a little more like toned down or sheer than the other ones I have, but it's really pretty. And the last thing in the box is by Pharmacy, and this is the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, and this retails for $22, which I'm not sure if it's this size that retails for $22 or the bigger size, but that's expensive if it is this size. And I don't know if I told you, but this retails for $32, which I think is a little pricey considering the packaging's like plastic, but I mean, we'll see if it's worth the $32. But yeah, that is everything we got in our February Boxycharm. I did go ahead and tally up the total, and the total of my box came out to $121, and that's pretty expensive. But I mean, we did get about 4 full-size products. I'm not sure if this is full size. I want to say it's not, but you know. And I'm actually really satisfied with this month's box. I'll most likely use everything in this month's box, so it's a really good box. And I did get version 3, if anyone wanted to know. But yeah, so that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. And don't forget, if you wanna check out and try out Boxycharm for yourself, I do have a link down below with the referral code that you can try out. Again, it is totally worth it. I love pretty much every box I get. This is probably the first box in a while that we haven't got a palette in, which I'm not really mad about, you know? But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.